What's up guys, in this video we're breaking down the 5 best camera drone in 2022. I've made this list based on drone performance, price and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for a camera drone, we'll have the best drone with camera for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Fifth product on my list, Sharefunbay F10 Dual Camera Drone. The Sharefunbay F10 4K HD camera drone with GPS. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 300 meters. For channels, you can fly up, down, forward, backward, left, right. Foldable arms, it is compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight. The orbital motion will make the plane fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route on the screen and use the helicopter as a given path. Flight time is up to 25 minutes. One button takeoff or landing automatically, the drone will take off or return to the takeoff position. With low power protection over current protection. 6-axis gyroscope for more stable flight and easier control. It has 3 flight speed switch levels to make flying more fun. Fourth product on my list, K80 Pro Professional Mini Drone. The K80 Pro GPS Wi-Fi quadcopter with dual HD camera. Brushless motor, 8K pixels, equipped with a 75-degree camera that can be continuously adjusted by ESC. GPS positioning and optical flow positioning, dual mode, dual camera switching, 7-level wind resistance, return home out of control. Low battery return to home, 1 key return to home, about 20 minutes of battery life, 5G high-definition image transmission. Smart follow, gestures to take pictures and videos, the screen is zoomed 50 times, the points of interest surround. The quad-rotor fuselage is made of high-strength engineering plastics, which is light and durable. Third product on my list, Eachine 520S Drone Helicopter. The Eachine 520S RC quadcopter with 4K professional HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi. Foldable arm, small size, easily fit in your pocket, easy to carry. GPS positioning mode provides a more accurate flight. With 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi function, can be connected APK system to take pictures and video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. There have 3 cameras can be choose, with 720 pixel, 1080 pixel, 4K wide angle camera give wide high definition pictures and video. Follow me, the aircraft will fix the controlling cell phone and follow the operator whichever direction he moves. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route on the screen, the copter is the give path. With headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. Let you no longer worry about letting you control uncomfortable directions, and easily control the drone. 1 key automatic return. Eachine 520S Pocket Drone features a function that enables it to find its way back automatically. With 1 click, the drone will return to its original point, no matter where it was flying. 6-axis gyroscope, this feature helps you to achieve better stability and effortless control while flying the drone. Though small in size, it is designed to provide high-grade photography and videography experience. 3-level flight speed, it can make more fun with the flying. Second product on my list, CEVENNESFE L700 Pro 4K Professional Drone. The CEVENNESFE Dual HD Camera Aerial Photography Brushless Motor Foldable Drone. GPS, 1 key to return to the takeoff point, return home with low power, return home without signal. GPS intelligent follow, image follow, identify the subject and automatically follow the flight. Multi-point flight route planning, the aircraft will fly autonomously according to the preset route, and the player will focus on shooting. Fixed point surround, find the center point of the surround, and then use the joystick to move the desired orbiting radius. Aircraft retrieval function. Click the GPS signal icon 3 times to open the map interface. The map displays the last distance, latitude and longitude of the aircraft. Pictures, music and video sharing can be added. Single or multiple selection to share photos. Videos can only be shared individually at a time. 4K adjustable camera. 7.4 volt plug-in smart lithium battery. First product on my list, XKJ K911 Max 8K dual camera drone. The K911 Max drone is the first drone and obstacle avoidance system. Its main camera is capable of recording 4K videos and taking 8K photos. The camera has an H letter on it, which is for sure not from Hasselblad. With folded arms, the K911 Max drone measures 15.5.9.8 centimeters and weighs 225 grams. It comes with 4 1503 type brushless motor that provides level 7 wind resistance. According to the advertised specs, the high-capacity 1800 mAh battery allows up to 25 minutes of flight time. Very impressive battery life from such a budget drone. Thanks to the fail-safe return-to-home RTH function, in case of remote controller signal loss or low flight battery voltage, the K911 Max quadcopter will return autonomously to the takeoff point. Easy to fold, smaller and lighter, worry-free and easier to carry.